everyone, today I'll be making a haircut video on the Z-line so that you can do it yourself and not waste tons of money by going to the salon. So as you can see, I finished cutting my hair, and if you want to see that tutorial, the link is in the description. So right now, I'll be doing the post-washing process with the Blackwood for Men Scalp Massager. So this is the scalp massager. This tool is excellent for removing the dead skin cells and increasing the blood flow to your brain so that this can prevent dandruff and increase hair growth. Because Customs took away the shampoo that Blackwood for Men gave me, darn you, I will be using another shampoo and applying it to my hair, then using the scalp massager. So after I apply the shampoo and it's immersed inside my head, I'm going to use a scalp massager and basically just rub it in. So the way you hold the scalp massager is between your index and middle finger so that you're positioned like this. So now let's head into our Z-line video. Hey guys, so now you're here cutting your first Z-line. You know, what are you supposed to do? So one trick is to not cut the gap too thick. You want it to be as thin as possible. And position your razor in the correct spot as so. If you want to cut your Z-line at this angle, make sure you position it over here so that your blade is directly in contact with your head before you start moving down along the line. And if you want to cut it here, the same thing. So now I'll be performing a Z-line in this direction. So we have the razor now working, and what we're going to do is to dab it right on the line that we're going to cut it on. So make sure you just dab it little by little and not cut it too thick. We want the line to be as thin as possible. So you can now see a line starting to form. Now we're just going to make our final touches to make this line as solid as possible. I get so numb when I hear your voice speak. The music runs through me and I feel so weak. So light me up, baby, and make me. So now you can see a line positioned at here. Now I'm going to cut one right beneath this lob of hair so that my fade over also has the Z line. Now we're going to do our left side, and we're going to make this line as straight as possible, just like the last one. Try to make it thin. So this was the Z-line video. I hope this video was informative. If you would like to learn how to cut your own hair or make a comb over, please check the link in the description. This video will feature the cutting process, post-washing process, and additional Blackwood for Men products, such as the shampoo and conditioner. If you would like to buy any products from Blackwood for Men, make sure to use the promo code Vincent Ooi to get a 25% discount on your entire purchase.